Hey, what's up guys? Merry Vlogmas. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Normally I make videos once a week, sometimes twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. For this video, we're gonna be decorating my apartment with Christmas stuff. Yeah. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna be putting up these Christmas, I put them up like all year round, but I'm gonna put them on my patio to kind of get that like Christmas aesthetic. I did it. Nailed it. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put up my Christmas wreath, so let's go. I did it. Y'all should see how I did this. It's pretty ridiculous. So, wreath is done. Outside lights are done. Next thing I'm gonna do is my tree. And my tree is tiny, by the way, because I used to live in a studio apartment. So I had like a mini tree for my mini apartment. Insert time lapse. Go. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. Got my tree, got my stocking, got Lily's stocking, but these little things. And I don't really have a centerpiece, so this is as good as it's gonna get, these little gold things. And then I have this golden tree, and then I put up Christmassy lights, and I put up little snowflakes. And if you can see, I put up garland. Thank you so much for watching this video. Lily's very excited. I will be posting another video tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe and the like button if you liked my decorations. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boop.
This is Christmas.